So we're sitting inside Dr. Ann Anderson High School, which really is a culmination of a lot of years of work with members of industry and members from the school board, and it's really exciting now as it starts to get closer to a living, breathing school.
The most innovative high school in Edmonton. It's going to serve the children of the Southwest for many, many years.
A facility that's going to be such a great addition to not only the students of Edmonton Public, but also for the community at large.
So this is really going to be a school a lot of the time, and then a rec center itself sometimes, and then at certain times it's going to be both things going on at once. So I think we're excited about the uniqueness of that and kind of the creative approach, again, to get recreation into these outlying areas where we're not going to be able to provide service for many years. So that's really working with our school board partners.
This IPD approach and this collaborative approach has just been so successful for the school board, and I hope for all of the other members of the project.
I'm so excited for it to open and for kids to get to enjoy a different type of school. One that's built with more thought to how they work than I think we've ever been able to do before.
I'm the project architect lead. So our firm, BR2 Architecture, worked in conjunction with our associate firm, AODBT, and we are the designers, architectural designers of this building, along with a team of sub-consultants and engineers to help bring this structure to fruition. This is what we affectionately call the Agora, which is a Greek word for gathering place. And the whole idea was this was going to be the spine of the building. Because it's Dr. Ann Anderson, First Nation elder, we wanted to bring elements of nature into it. So we created trees in the Agora that supported the structure. So everything emanates from this place of gathering.
I'm a structural engineer, so I designed basically a bones of the school building. I provide the columns, beams to make sure that the buildings stay standing.
I'm the electrical consultant, and I've been involved on behalf of SMP Engineering in all the electrical components of the building, including lighting control, fire alarm, power distribution, and communications, and security as well.
So my role on the project was as mechanical lead engineer. We came up with and developed the conceptual design for all of the mechanical systems in conjunction, obviously, with the school board, their staff, the architects, and the entire team, as this is a IPD project. But my main role was conceptual design for the project and then hand off the detail to our design team.
My job is working with the poly party, so with those members, the design team, as well as the builders, the constructor team, as well as all of the subcontractors that we hire, coordinating the work that happens here every day. It's about 140 people on site right now, and it's about a 2-year project, so we all work together collaboratively to build this school.
This project is a great project to be involved in because of the type of project it is, which is a IPD or integrated project delivery. It's very different than a typical project, whereas there's a lot more collaboration involved that you don't see in a typical STIP bid. And like for me, from my side of it, it makes it a lot easier. Things go a lot smoother. You develop a lot of great relationships with not only like the owners on here, so EPSB, but also the general contractors and other contractors and trades that are on site. And I guess it's a great experience to be able to be involved in that, not only to just see the process and what it can do, but just also be part of what we're creating here.
I'm a PM with the drywall contractor, Kerr Interiors, in this site. We're doing the exterior framing and drywall, which sets the base for all the exterior finishes. We're doing the interior framing, walls and ceilings, T-bar, tile, and we're also doing the acoustics products, which is a very large, we'll say, portion of this job. Lots of new products lots of things we haven't ever used before. So as a group, we've spent a lot of time researching them, and yeah, they're to come towards the end of the job. So it'll be interesting. Guys are quite excited about installing those.
So this particular project is my first IPD project. When I compare this IPD project to other hard bid projects, the collaboration and the cooperation that I see between not only the owner and the design team, but between all the trades, it's really spectacular how willing and able everybody is to step alongside each other and get the tasks required completed and work with each other.
To see people take hold of and own an expanded role in helping each other out is a real testament to this whole process that we're trying to execute on.
You know, if I was going to sum it up with a word, it's community. And it was a community, it's part of a community. We helped plan that. It brought community together, industry and the board and consultants and experts to actually bring this beautiful facility out of the ground.